What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Wulf back with another video. You see Cerberus in the back looking beastly. And today we're gonna see if we can get a handle on these paddle shifters. We're gonna see if we can get a handle on these paddle shifters, see if it improves our time. I just filled up the gas tank yesterday like an idiot, so my time's gonna be trash. But we're gonna see if we can get a handle on these paddle shifters. Tune in. I just used my GoPro, and hopefully I can get that footage in because it was some pretty solid work. But I can definitely, I never really use my paddle shifters, to be honest. I normally throw it in sport mode, and sport mode is aggressive enough. But with the paddle shifters and sport mode, man, that sounded like a sheep, like a goat, man. Yeah, with both, man, yo, the aggression, bruh. I'm trying to tell you, there's a big major difference with sport mode and the paddle shifters. Whew. Normally, if I'm about to give somebody a go, I'll throw it in sport mode. I'll turn the AC off, basic stuff like that. But now, I might have to start using the paddle shifters. I know that my hold on one second. I know my shifting timing probably needs work, because I don't know when I'm supposed to shift. You guys could probably fill me in, but once the RPMs get up pretty good, I'll shift. I can kind of hear it, so when my ear tells me to shift, I shift. Because I know with sport mode, the shift points is longer, so I play it by ear. When I tried doing it in normal mode, and the shift points are they're different. They're shorter and they're not as aggressive. But in sport mode, I'm just playing it by ear. So I don't know if there's a certain RPMs I'm supposed to shift it in, but by ear I can hear it. I feel like I hear it perfectly. So I feel like my shifts are pretty solid. I might next time I'm gonna try it. Even though I'm not 100% confident in the shifts, I'm gonna try it. Try to give somebody some go. And put it back in first. A little downshift. Yeah, I'm enjoying the paddle shifters. It's hard to get the footage, because normally I'm just doing like a normal vlogging. I'm holding the camera thing and I'm looking at it or whatever. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to give it a try, because I had to hold my GoPro and weird. So I definitely got to get one of them those head things or something to wrap around my forehead or something, so I can really get capture the footage that you guys want to see. I don't want to do you guys a disservice and deprive you of the boost energy. Cerberus is doing beastly things right now. So yeah, I'm gonna do a couple more, and probably not even use the paddle shifters. I'll just do a couple more pulls so you guys can hear it, and then I'm gonna end this video. I don't even know how long it's been or how much footage of this I can actually use. So if I can use all the footage that I took, it's gonna be a long ass video. But I probably won't use it all. So give you guys another pull for the new people on the channel. I know we hit 500 subscribers, going on 6. So I'm gonna give the new people here that are just tuning in a couple more pulls, and then I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out. So it's 80 degrees out right now, so it's not really good boost weather, but let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Go to performance. Boom. You see my best is a 4.2. Slow her down. Complete stop. Almost a full tank of gas and 80 degrees, 4.7. Type embarrassing. You see my best is a 4.2, but when I got the 4.2, it was kind of chilly that day. I think it was like probably 60 degrees or in the 50s. So that is Cerberus. You hear the boost. Just hissing. Alright, let me go ahead and pull over and try to wrap this video up, man. Hopefully I got some good footage for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Got a lot of new subscribers, man. The channel's actually doing really well, especially for a V6 channel. You know, V6 channels don't get no love really. As far as V6 Mopar, I don't know about V6 imports and like tuners and stuff like that, but V6 Mopar, there is no V6 Mopar channel that, to my knowledge, that has over 100,000 subscribers or even 50,000 subscribers. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below, but if there is one, point me in his direction, because I ain't never seen no V6 Mopar with over 100,000 or 50,000. All the big channels is all Hellcats, 392s, stuff like that. So it'd be nice to have at least one V6 big YouTuber. I'm trying to be that guy. I really am, man. I'm really trying to be a pillar for the V6 guys, because there's blueprints, but there's blueprints with they all have holes in them. So if I can go through a lot of the trouble, so you guys can know, okay, he did this, it fucked up. Don't do that. Just follow this thing. Just do things that work. And then you guys have all solid V6 builds, and we'll be out there, you know, just killing the streets just like everybody else, without having all these supercharger problems and all these problems that a lot of other builds don't have. So a lot of us, like me, 86 face, stuff like that. So you guys can learn from our mess ups and just make your build the best as it could be without going through the problems we had to go through. So that's the plan. That's the plan. I want to hit 100K. That would be monumental. Woo! Y'all hear that extra boost going off? Sheesh. It just went back into to automatic mode because I didn't shift. A little hard to do when you're trying to man the camera, and you don't want to see that top speed. It was 131. I don't know who did that. Somebody must have stole my car and did it, because I would never. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. You see Cerberus back there looking winded. Nah, he's looking beastly still. Yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Got you guys some pulls in. Tune into the next one. Me and Cerberus out.
Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Power moves, power moves. Rocked up, yabba dabba doo.